Ano, ng section. Section 3.
Parts of
Business letter. Ma'am, nakabutan rin na 3 section. Amo nito ma'am, kuya din.
body of the letter, clothing, and signature.
Liwata na ma'am eh? Ay, hindi kita ma'am.
Sige, let's have the optional parts. What are the optional parts? Optional, you can include it. You may include it. Okay. You may not. Okay, let's start.
What? These optional parts
These are reference line, attention line, subject line, mga line.
Identification
Straight
line,
line and crooked line.
curve line.
Identification line, closures, and carbon copies. Yeah. There are how many? 6. What is a reference line? Sino na nagbasa? Tapos na nagbasa.
Basa daw ka mo.
Statement describing the main purpose of the letter. A number, an account, invoice, etc. Or reference to previous reference.
The reference line, the focus sa letter, may focus sa letter, and number, one account, invoice, reference. Di ba mag... Sino nag-receive part-time ka? Tabron. Sino nag-receive part-time sa abroad?
Sira.
May ano?
Angel.
Part-time.
Gansi mo po, sabi ko, gansi ko, labong na ka.
You need what?
Ay, pag sa Palawan, account number.
Pinaka-importante dito, ano?
Account number. Ay, ba? Sa kwarta.
Reference number.
Tuloy
Reference number, butang sa reference line.
Reference number kailangan.
By example.
Case number
Ang pati ka blurred.
Request for refund. Nag-order ka sa Shopee. Tapos, defective. Are you listening?
reference number. Di ba nga, dito ako sa iba.
Why, ma'am? Wala, it. Kaya wala mo siya kapatid. Kasi the word nila, are you listening? Wala, hindi sila. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Well, yes, I do. Sige, example. Nag-order ka sa Shopee. Bilis, sino na? Panay. Yes. Nag-order ka sa Shopee. What is your reference line example? How lang mag-order? Example lang sa reference line. What if effective ang iyong in-order? Kung hindi ka sa Shopee nag-order, sa tingin ko na-order, wala kang nag-order, Jollibee na lang yan. Order ka Jollibee. Hindi ako na iyong order. Pero siyempre, dapat sa Shopee, di ba mayroon ang reference number? Okay, effective. So, ibalik mo siya. Mag-text ka man, Shopee. Request for refund, request for replacement. Order number 1235. Please solve effective. Or Black Arrow review number or case number. Mga kaso-kaso, case number, reference. Okay, attention line. What is attention line? Sa isa lang po basta. Okay, repeat.
Optional parts of the business letter, attention line, an alternative to including the recipient's name, purchasing permission address, is to use attention line. The attention line is placed below the inside address and above the salutation. It is to draw the respondent's attention to the fact that this letter should be forwarded to a particular person in the company.
Thank you, Giovanni.
Make sure to capitalize the first word in the first letters in the name of person's position in the company.
Kaya nga,
When you use attention line, address your letter to the company and use the salutation, dear sirs, or dear company.
Sige, attention line. Usually, ano ka letter? Ang attention. Attention. Oh, what kind of letter? See the word attention, or there is an attention line. Ano letter letter? Wala. Wala pa. Memorandum, attention, all faculty members and students, a memorandum about the memorandum. Attention, faculty, NCTI faculty and members, for tapos may subject line, showcasing on the 14th of February. Pero na feeling West Sea, o subong mag-paper. Are you ready now for the showcasing?
Nar! Nabayon.
Ano ba?
Learn how to sports. Ready ka ba?
Why kami kabalo nga karo ano purpose?
Why man
Why kami ano?